Hey, Seymour, how you doing? You having a good day? Good. Hey, it's good to see you again. We're going to get started today learning a little bit about the etiquette of Google Meets. Yeah, we use Google Meets quite a bit for classes and checking in with teachers, so it's probably important that you know what you're doing. Sound good? Hey, Seymour, you don't have to hold it so close to your face. Okay, if you back up a little bit, we can see it a little bit better. Seymour, back up a little bit. Back up. Seymour, are you there? Seymour, I think your mic is muted. Your mic is muted. I don't know why I'm talking like this. You can probably hear me. Turn your mic on. And oh, Seymour, hold on a second. You're sharing your screen here, Seymour. Can you turn your screen sharing off? What are you looking at? Seymour, are you wearing pajamas right now? You should probably get dressed for your Google Meets. Seymour, you know you're still on video, right? Seymour, no. See less. Seymour, you enjoy being outside? It's pretty great, isn't it? Nice weather. Just make sure you don't get too far. Why? Well, it's not bad for day one, right? We'll get the hang of it, I promise you. I miss you, buddy. We'll check in with you soon. All right, take care.